Hello guys, welcome to TechSem World, and this is the Yuphoria unboxing. Let's get into it. So this is the Yuphoria box that came from Amazon, and I got it in the flash sale. So let's do the unboxing. I have got my unboxing knife here, and let's open it, and let's open the box up. Okay, now the cover is off from this amazing packaging by Yuphoria, and the box is very clean and nothing, no scratched or something like that. Okay, let's first go to specifications here, and we got here the processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 410 quad-core 1.2 GHz ARM Cortex A53 64-bit processor, and the graphics processing unit, that is GPU, is Adreno 306 3D graphics, and the screen is of 5 inches, that is HD resolution with 294 ppi and Gorilla Glass 3. The memory here is 16 GB internal memory with micro SD card expansion and 2 GB of RAM. That's amazing, because nobody expected that such a low cost phone would have 2 GB of RAMs. And the camera is 8 megapixel, which is very decent, and the front shooter is 5 megapixel, and it's running Cyanogen Mod 12.0 on the top of Android 5.0 Lollipop. And now it has all the connectivity that every phone has, like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, etc. And the battery here is 20 to 30 milliamp hour battery, and I'll test it and give you the results in my full review of it. Also, it supports 3G and 4G as well. So let's open the box up. Here we go. So that's the Yuphoria sitting right down here, and let's keep the phone aside for a moment, and let's see what's inside the box. There's another packet here. In this packet we have screen protector for Yuphoria, and that's good of you that they included this in such a low cost phone, as well as there's a cloth for cleaning the screen up. So let's see what else is in here. These are the special features guide. Okay, and this is warranty card, user manual, and also some information that we don't really care about, so let's all keep it aside. And we have something else in the box as well. This is the wall adapter, and it has the USB port on the back. We have here earphones as well. I didn't expect that you will get earphones as well in this box, so that's amazing of you, and I'm very impressed that they have included all these things in the box and of such a low cost phone. Also, there is a micro USB cable to connect the wall adapter, and a 20 to 30 milliamp battery. So this said that this battery is removable, and we see very rare phones do these things nowadays. So, and let's look at the phone up. Feeling of getting the phone out of this plastic. So there's the phone, as you can see, the Yuphoria. the Yuphoria U logo here, and the camera, major attraction on this phone, this big camera lens and flash as well. This look amazing. Let's see the front of the screen, and we have the 5 inches HD resolution screen, and all the specifications here are mentioned that I've already discussed in the start of this. Okay, let's peel this thing off from the screen. You ready? Yeah, that was good. And we here see the beautiful gorgeous screen of the Yuphoria. Okay, let me go to the aesthetics of this. We have the 3.5mm headphone jack on the top and feels amazing. Okay, this first of all, this is the black and silver edition model. There is also a gold edition model that is available, but not at the time when I bought this. Okay, so here is the front facing camera as well, and the U logo on top. So we have the U logo on the bottom, that means on the back, and also as well as on the top front. So, and it has the on-screen buttons, I guess, because there are no capacitive buttons, so I like that. And on the back you can see there is a speaker grill, which is a very long speaker grill. It's placed on the back of the phone. Nowadays we see it on the front, but that's not the disappointment, because this is a very low cost phone, so we cannot expect every good thing from this phone. Let me go through this sideways. We have the volume keys, volume up and down keys, as well as this is the power button. So you placed it in a very good position, so you don't have to worry about pressing it, and sometimes it don't press, but this is a good placement for the power button. And also the micro USB port is on the bottom, so everything is appropriate in the place. So let's power this device up. Okay, nice plastic. That's good. And the phone, we have, this is a dual SIM, so we can insert 2 SIMs in here, as well as we can expand this up to 32GB, I think so, or maybe 64. So micro SD slot here, right here. That's amazing thing. I love phones with micro SD card expansion. Okay, and let's insert the battery up. So here is the battery. So the battery is inserted into the phone, and I hope this has some juice left so we can power up the device. Let's put this back on, this cover. It's a nice cover, not very made of good material, but it's okay. Okay, so let's power this device up. This is on. So we see the U logo and powered by Android, of course. Also the device is very light. Although the battery is inserted into it right now, it still feels very light. It's just 159 grams, and that's very lightweight. Also this is the metal. This sideways rim is the metal thing, and the phone, the back is plastic. So
there was the Yuphoria unboxing, and if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you're not a subscriber yet. Also, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at @TechSamWorld to know the latest updates about Yuphoria review and camera review. So don't wait, just go down, click the subscribe button. That's it. Bye bye.
Is deliberately simple too. A micro SIM tray sits near invisibly on the phone side and has the volume, performance and the features it offers. The new Moto G addresses feedback Motorola received from the original and has